So, in this video, I'll show you how to set up your personal U.com account and claim $100 of free credit along with an API key for your own use. Make sure to follow all the steps carefully until the end so you don't make any mistakes. First, open your favorite search engine, but remember to do this in a private tab. This step is absolutely necessary. In the search bar, type U.com and then visit the official website. Do not visit any third-party websites other than U.com, as they may put your personal information at risk. Once you're on the official website, you can scroll through and read about all the features this AI platform offers. But for now, let's claim the $100 free credit for your account. To do this, click on the pricing section at the top of the website. On the pricing page, scroll down a bit, and you'll see that they are offering $100 in free credit. You can choose any option that provides $100 free credit, but I'll choose the first plan since I want access to information from the web, just like a normal AI chat. If you're planning to do research related to news or journalism around the world, choose the second option. For now, we'll continue with the first one, so click Get Started for free. Now, this is the most important part. You must use a brand new email address to claim this offer. Otherwise, you won't be able to redeem it. I'm entering a new email address now. You can use any temporary email if you like. Next, verify your email address. Check your inbox for the verification code and enter it to complete the process. Now let's check the billing section. As you can see, we now have $100 of free credit without needing a credit card. And wait, there's more. You will also receive a free API key to use in your personal projects. To claim it, click on API keys, give the key a name, and generate your free API key. And that's all for today's video. If you found it helpful, consider subscribing to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.